Doing a little mock up here, make sure everything's gonna bolt in good. Got the Dakota digital dash put in it. Still got to hook it all up, waiting for a wiring kit to get here from American Auto Wire. Got all the vintage air put in, the vents, all that's in. Steering wheel is just mocked up right now. I'm tightening that down later. Got the billet column in. I still got to pull it out and put some pieces on it. Dash is all put back in. Glove box door, ashtrays all in. Laying the carpet down so it can kind of get a little mold to the floor throughout the heat of the day. And then always got my helper, of course. He don't do much, but he lays with me all day. Anyways, that's about it. I went with a 58 Impala steering wheel. Painted it dash color and body color. Came out pretty nice. So far so good. Waiting for a mount for the column as well. And then we'll get the rest of the vintage air kit in. The controls go right there. Get a stereo put in it, and that'll finish up the dash.